And President Uhuru Kenyatta has sent a message of condolence to the families, relatives and friends of the 19 people who died in the bus accident at Soisambu. President Kenyatta said he has instructed the relevant authorities to quickly establish the root cause of the accident and to implement more measures that will ensure roads are safer at all times. Now let's take a closer look at this accident. Police have arrested Humphrey Mulinda, the owner of that bus. Humphrey Mulinda and Brenda Khayeshe are the registered owners of the bus with registration number KCG 992C, whose driver is said to have been speeding and recklessly overtaking when it was hit from the side by an oncoming trailer. Now, according to the NTSA, the bus initially belonged to Superhighway 45 Sacco, but was suspended by the Sacco for various irregularities and flouting traffic rules. The bus continued to operate illegally despite that suspension. Now, NTSA says that by last evening, the bus was operating without a road license, a service license rather, and a motor vehicle inspection sticker. Now, the ill-fated bus that killed 19 Kenyans was deregistered by the Superhighway 45 Sacco in July last year for failing to comply with Sacco rules and, according to Sacco officials, causing too many operational problems.